Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Life Hands-On. My flock is getting older. We're having some drop off here and there. So it is time to start thinking about the future. And so today I'm going to go pick up some chicks. This is where their new home is going to be until they're big enough they can't squeeze through the fence. So stay tuned. Okay, it's time to introduce these little birds to their new home for the next little bit. So let's start taking them out, putting them in. Come on now, come on. I'm putting you in a spot that's a lot better than this. Just relax. Just relax. And when I get you in there, I'll get you some food and some water. And you'll go, wow, this is great. Now we're relaxed now. It's all right. You're all right. Come on now. You don't want to be the last one out. Get in there with your friends. Okay, now I'm going to give them some banana and see if they like that and give them some chick starter. All right, I'm going to give them some chick starter. And I'm going to put some bananas in there because they need to get used to eating bananas because they'll be getting a lot of them. So I'll just go ahead and put that right in the food bowl. There you go, girls. Eat it up. They seem to be adapting very well to their new environment. Seem very calm. I hope they'll be a proficient egg layer. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you the next time.